Welcome. Today's lesson is Daily Conversation, Small Talk English. You'll learn how to greet people, ask simple questions about their day, work, or hobbies, respond naturally, keep short, friendly conversations going. I'll speak slowly. Repeat after me when I pause. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Basic greetings. Start with these simple greetings. Repeat after me. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Part 2. Introducing yourself. Next, introduce yourself and ask about the other person. Dialogue example.
Hello, my name is Adam. What's your name?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Boston. How about you?
I'm from Atlanta.
Part 3. Talking about your day. Now practice asking and answering questions about daily life. Dialogue example. How was your day?
It was good, thank you. And yours?
Mine was fine. I went shopping.
That sounds fun.
Practice tip. Ask and answer these questions aloud to a friend or in front of a mirror. Part 4. Talking about work or school. Small talk often includes work or school topics. Dialogue example. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in a shop. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Part 5. Talking about hobbies. Next, ask and answer about hobbies and free time. Dialogue example.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. And you?
I like playing football.
That's cool. Part 6. Talking about weather. Small talk often includes talking about the weather. Dialogue example.
It's a sunny day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very nice.
I like sunny days.
Me too. Part 7. Practice drill. Let's do a quick role play. Greet a new friend. Ask where they are from. Ask about their day. Ask about hobbies. Make a short comment about the weather. Repeat all lines aloud. This will help you feel confident in real-life small talk. Part 8. Politeness and closing. Quick tips. Smile and use polite phrases like please and thank you. Ask short, friendly questions. People like to talk about themselves. Well done! You learned greetings, introductions, talking about your day, hobbies, work, and the weather. Practice these dialogues often, and you'll feel confident in English small talk. Part 9. Quiz. Question 1. How do you politely greet someone in the morning? Good night. Good morning. See you later. Correct answer, B. Good morning. Use this to start a friendly conversation at the beginning of the day. Question 2. If someone asks you, how was your day? How can you respond naturally? I'm fine, thank you. Mine was fine, I went shopping. See you tomorrow. Correct answer, B. Mine was fine, I went shopping. Share a brief, positive response and optionally mention an activity. Question 3. Which question is appropriate for asking about hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? What time is it? Can I have water? Correct answer, A. What do you like to do in your free time? This helps you start a friendly conversation about interests. Question 4. Which is a polite way to ask about someone's work? What do you do? Work now? Tell me your job. Correct answer, A. What do you do? Simple and friendly, commonly used in small talk. Question 5. Which phrase is natural for talking about the weather? It's a sunny day today, isn't it? Weather, go away! I don't like it, rain. Correct answer, A. It's a sunny day today, isn't it? Commenting on the weather is a classic way to start small talk. Subscribe for more practical English lessons. See you next time. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new videos. And check out our PDF materials. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.